I am Juni Bako, owner of Sakanamitorn Food Services. We are engaged in online food selling. Basically, our business provides food for special occasions and daily meals for teachers and other friends on Facebook. Our foods are home cooked and without MSG. Our friends on Facebook can witness a live selling and cooking of the food sold to them. So, they could ensure that the food they eat is clean and healthy. In this business, we make a daily profit of an average of 1,500 pesos. For your information, I am a professional teacher, a father of 7 children. Me and my wife decided to pursue venturing into this business so that we could have freedom of time and provide unlimited income for our big family. As an ACE graduate, we know the importance of business principles. One of these is the principle of record keeping, which helps us better decide what's best for our business. Thank you. Here is our day-to-day operations. Mga kaibigan, mag-Facebook Live na tayo ha. Ito yung ginagawa natin. Sa araw-araw. Facebook Live. Nagluluto tayo ngayon kaibigan ng mga biko. Ito yung business namin kaibigan. Live tayo ngayon sa Facebook ha. Sa mga sukid ha, order na kamo. Live na live. Facebook. Ato luto subong suman ha. Suman and Valenciana. Wow na wow ha, mga suki ha. Valenciana nga ito nga luto ha. Suman kag Valenciana. 100 pesos per 500 ml tab ang Valenciana. Ang suman niya